Morning YouTube. Today I'm going to be building my own 3-filter water filter assembly, essentially. Kind of like a clear source or something like that, but just not a clear source, a JSON source. So follow along, hope you guys like it. If you do, please like and subscribe this page, we really appreciate it. Thanks. Alright, so what I have is 3 filter housing assemblies. These are for under the sink, if you will, housings for the house. 3 different filters, 20 micron, 5 micron, and then the smallest, it says less than 1 micron. I can only assume it's, well, less than 1 micron, maybe 0.5. And then from there, I'm going to attach them using these 2 nipples, and then I have an adapter to go on the insert, and then an exit adapter for the garden hoses. So these nipples are just going to connect these 2 like that, those 2 like that, and then I'll have an exit right here for a garden hose, and then an entrance right here for the other end of another hose. And that's pretty much it. So I saw this done on a couple of other pages, and I'm kind of stealing their idea. Hopefully it turns out like theirs did. I'm going to wrap the fittings with Teflon tape, tighten it down, we'll put some water into it, and call it good, hopefully. The only thing I'm worried about is water pressure going through 3 different filters, plus we have an onboard filter where our wet bay is. So we'll see what the pressure looks like after we get this job done. And I'm going to do the work on our kitchen table because we're about to replace it. Alright, so here's the final outcome. Everything's put together. I got my filters in. Largest micron to the smallest. So biggest things to the smallest filtered. What I want to tell you is when you go to do this, make sure you check out your water hose. Make sure what type of connections you need on each end to actually connect the water hose. Okay, you need 3/4 inch for all of these. Okay, here's the adapter that I use. This is the 3/4, if I can get it to focus. 3/4 by 3/4. This is the 3/4 by 3 inch. That's the nipple. That's what these are. And then here's the other 3/4 by 3/4. So that's one of these and one of these. One for your inlet and one for your outlet of your water hose. Everything is wrapped with thread pipe tape, Teflon tape, whatever you want to call it. So we're good to go. It's got a little vent to vent the air out of the system. It is a little wobbly because I'm not exactly straight in line. Let me show you. I got no shame. So actually it looks pretty good looking at it right here, but I promise it is a little wonky, but it'll work. Now the real test. Let's go outside and see if I put these water hose connections on the correct side for inlet and outlet. Alright, here's the outcome. Running at about 49 psi. Added the water hose adapter right here for this little short piece. I'll probably get a longer one so we can bring this over a little bit. Filter system, regulator, and then going all over the rig. Okay, so you just saw the outside. So I ran through the system, I ran all my sinks, my toilet, didn't do my shower, but whatever. Look at my slide toppers, random, but see all that water on my window? My slide topper above our dinette, it sags a little bit and catches some rain, and then wind comes through and just blows it all over the window. Anyways, let me know if you have that problem and how to fix it. Alright, so filter is doing great. The filters are doing great. No leaks. Ran all the system like I said. Update on the pressure, absolutely no change. It is no less or greater. So that's good. I was kind of worried about adding 3 filters in a row plus the onboard one. So 4 total. No change. It runs great. So very happy about that. So everything from this job can be bought from either Lowe's or Home Depot. I went half and half. I got the filters and the filter housings from Lowe's. Home Depot had the adapters for putting them together, and then for the garden hoses. Lowe's also had them, they just didn't have the length that I wanted. So if you were to go to Lowe's, you could find everything. Same with Home Depot. I'm about $140-ish into the job. That's with everything, and that comes with a double set of filters, so I don't have to buy another set of filters for my next change out. So all in all, I feel like I've saved a significant amount of money for this job. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it, and follow us for more information, more tips and tricks, and just more randomness. Also, I'll put a link in the description to the 3 filters that we bought, the filter assemblies and the fittings, so you guys have everything if you want to do this yourself. Like I said, so far so good. It's only been on here about 30 minutes, but ran through the whole system and everything looks great. All right guys, have a great day.